3 on 6 is revolutionary treatment for fully edentulous people who are sick of wearing dentures, putting the glue on, having sore spots, constant adjustments, and changing the dentures every 5-7 years, putting them in a jar every night. And for those who have broken teeth, failed root canals, and loose teeth or constant dental surgeries on their gum, 3 on 6 replaces the full arch of teeth with 3 bridges on 6 implants, and we are adding the bone, not cutting it away, and preserving the natural teeth and gum look.